Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Podcast with Lily. I'm Lily.
And I'm Leo. Great to see you all again.
Leo, I have to ask, how was your day yesterday? Tell me everything.
Oh, yesterday. It was a little crazy, actually. I had 3 meetings and then I lost my keys for an hour.
3 meetings and lost keys? Oh no, that sounds stressful. Did you find them?
Yes, I did. They were in my coat pocket the whole time. I felt so silly and then very relieved.
That's good. I'm glad you found them. My day was much calmer. I just watched a movie and ate pizza. I felt really relaxed.
Pizza and movies? That sounds perfect.
It was. Okay, students, look at what we did. We just used English to talk about our feelings and our day.
And that is exactly what we're doing today. Today's topic is super useful. How to describe your feelings.
Learning to talk about how you feel is important for daily conversation. It helps you make friends and connect with people.
Right. So get ready to learn easy words and phrases you can use right now.
But first, please do 3 things for us. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with a friend.
And a quick practice exercise. Tell us in the comments below, how was your day yesterday? Use one word to describe it.
Was it happy, busy, or boring? Let us know. We'll check your sentences.
Okay, let's get started with our feeling words.
Welcome to the lesson. Leo, when we talk about feelings, there are 4 basic words that everyone needs to know.
Yes, these are the feeling words you will use every single day. Let's start with the easiest one, happy.
Happy. Happy. Say it with us, students. Happy.
When do you feel happy, Lily? Give us an example.
I feel happy when I drink coffee in the morning. I can say, I am happy, or I feel happy.
Great. Now for the opposite, number 2, sad.
Sad. S-A-D. Repeat. Sad.
You feel sad when something bad happens. For example, he is sad because his team lost the game.
Notice the short sound in sad. Try to say it clearly. Sad.
Okay, number 3 is angry.
Angry. A-N-G-R-Y. This word has 2 parts. Angry. Say it with us. Angry.
You feel angry when you are mad. Example, she is angry because the bus was late.
Or you can say, I feel angry when I cannot find my phone.
Last basic word, number 4, tired.
Tired. T-I-R-E-D. You need to sleep. Repeat after me. Tired.
After a long day of work, you are tired. We are tired after studying English for 3 hours.
Mini exercise. Look at these 4 words again. Happy, sad, angry, tired. Leo, students, right now, how do you feel? Point to the word on the screen.
Use a full sentence. Say it out loud. I am or I feel. Great job. Now let's learn how to make these feelings stronger.
Okay, we know the basics. Happy, sad, angry, tired. But what if you feel very happy or very sad?
We use words called intensifiers. These words make your feelings stronger. Let's learn 3 easy ones.
The first one is very. V-E-R-Y. We use this all the time.
Example, you found $10 on the street. You are not just happy, you are very happy. Say it. I am very happy.
Example 2. You worked 12 hours. You are not just tired, you are very tired. Repeat. I am very tired.
The second strong word is really. R-E-A-L-L-Y. This means the same as very in conversation.
We love this word in USA English. I am really tired. I feel really sad.
Try it. Look at the camera and say, I am really happy to be learning English.
Great job. Now, the third word is a little stronger but very useful. So. S-O.
So is used for strong emphasis. You might shout it. I am so angry right now. Or, I am so happy to see you.
Let's practice a fast one. Leo, are you happy?
I am very happy.
Are you tired?
I am really tired.
Is your coffee good?
It is so good. Remember this pattern. I am intensifier plus feeling.
Pause and practice. In the comments, tell us something you are very happy about today. Write your sentence now. Then let's move on to learning some new great feeling words.
Okay, it's time for some new vocabulary. These are words you hear every day in conversations.
First, let's talk about being busy. The word is busy. B-U-S-Y. Say it. Busy.
You are busy when you have too much work or too many things to do.
Example. I am busy today. I have no free time.
Try this. My boss is very busy this week. Repeat that sentence, students.
Next word. When you want to learn or know something new, you are curious. C-U-R-I-O-U-S.
Curious. It means you want to know more. I am curious about the new movie.
Sometimes we are bored. B-O-R-E-D. You have nothing to do.
Being bored is not fun. I am bored with this old video game.
Try saying, I am never bored when I study English. That's a good one to remember.
And the last one for this chapter, excited. E-X-C-I-T-E-D.
Excited is a strong, positive feeling. You are happy about something in the future. I am so excited for the weekend.
Or, we are really excited to teach you today.
Time for a quick check. Leo, if you want to know what happens next in a story, how do you feel?
I feel curious.
If you have 5 phone calls, 2 emails, and a meeting,
I am busy.
if your birthday is tomorrow,
I am excited.
perfect. Students, keep repeating these words out loud. Repetition is key. Now let's look at some common negative feelings. It's okay to feel these, and it's important to know how to talk about them.
The first one is stressed. S-T-R-E-S-S-E-D. Say it. Stressed.
You feel stressed when you have too many problems or pressure, like when you lost your keys, Leo.
Exactly. I was very stressed. I can say, I am stressed about my big test tomorrow.
The next word is nervous. N-E-R-V-O-U-S. Repeat, nervous.
Nervous is a feeling before an important event, like a presentation or a job interview. You are a little afraid.
Example, she is nervous because she has to speak in front of many people.
Next, confused. C-O-N-F-U-S-E-D. This is a longer word. Confused. Say it slowly.
When you do not understand something, you are confused. I am confused by this grammar rule.
If you hear a word you don't know, you can ask your teacher, I'm really confused. Can you explain that again?
And one more important word, upset. U-P-S-E-T. Repeat, upset.
Upset means you are sad or angry because of something that happened. It's a mix of bad feelings.
Example, he is upset because his friend did not call him.
Pause and practice. If you have an exam tomorrow, how do you feel? Say the sentence out loud using an intensifier.
For example, I am very nervous, or I feel really stressed. Great.
That's excellent practice. Now let's make a sentence using one of these words in the comments.
Okay, now you know many great feeling words, but how do you use them in a real conversation?
We use simple phrases. The easiest way to ask is, how are you feeling? Say it with me. How are you feeling?
Or you can ask, what's wrong? If you see someone look sad. What's wrong?
And the way to answer is always I am or I feel plus the word.
Let's practice a dialogue. I'm going to be person A and Leo will be person B. Hi, Leo. You look a little tired. How are you feeling today?
I'm okay, but I am very tired. I did not sleep well last night.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Maybe drink some coffee?
Good idea. Thanks, Lily. Now let's switch. I am person A. Lily is person B. Hey, Lily. You look so happy. What's going on?
I feel really excited. I bought tickets to see my favorite band.
Wow, that's great news. I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
Mini exercise. Students, imagine you had a wonderful vacation. How do you feel? Say it out loud.
You can say, I feel so relaxed, or I am very happy.
Remember, when you talk about feelings, you can also use your face and your hands. This helps people understand you better.
Absolutely. Practice in front of a mirror. Now, let's wrap up everything we learned today.
Wow, that was a great lesson. We covered a lot today. Let's do a quick review.
Yes. First, we learned the 4 basic feelings: happy, sad, angry, and tired.
Then we learned how to make those feelings stronger using intensifiers like very, really, and so.
We also learned new daily words like busy, curious, bored, and excited.
And the negative feelings stressed, nervous, confused, and upset.
Now, let's do one final practice. I will give a situation, and you students answer out loud.
Situation 1. You are waiting for a very important email about your new job. How do you feel?
The answer could be, I am very nervous, or I feel excited.
Situation 2. You stayed up all night to finish a project. How do you feel now?
The best answer is, I am really tired, or I feel so stressed.
Situation 3. You planned a picnic, but it is raining all day. How do you feel?
You probably feel, I am upset, or I feel a little sad.
Fantastic job, everyone! You learned so much English vocabulary today.
Remember, the most important thing is to use these words. Try to use one new feeling word today in a conversation.
Yes, and before you go, please check your notes, like this video, and subscribe for more English lessons.
We love teaching you. Keep practicing. You're doing great. Never stop learning.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye!